Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create an account on LinkedIn. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open up your web browser, and you can use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in www.linkedin.com, and I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to their official site. Right in center, you'll be able to see the sign up page. So first of all, in order to join LinkedIn or in order to be part of LinkedIn, what you need to do is you need to provide a first name, last name, and email or a phone number, and then you must also create a password. So once you do that, tap on join, which is right at the bottom, and after that you'll need to provide your residential address that is on your card or an ID. And once you do that, you also need to provide a zip code or the postal code, and then tap on next. And after that, you need to provide a job title, and after that you need to select an account type in order to personalize it. And after that, you'll need to open up your email, so for the verification code. So for that, a verification code or a link will be sent through an email. So what you need to do is you need to open up the email and then check for the verification or the confirmation code. You can see that there is a confirmation link. All you need to do is click on confirm your email, and once you do that, tap on continue once again. And after that, you need to personalize the account. So in case if you want to add photo to your profile, then you can simply tap on the camera icon located right in center and then upload a picture and tap on continue. The next page, you need to select the channel to follow, so you can select at least 6 of them. And once you select it, you need to click on follow, which is right at the bottom. And after that, you've successfully created an account, and in order to view your profile, you need to click on me in the top right, and as you click on it, you'll be able to see your profile page, and then you've successfully created an account on LinkedIn. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.